Hello there, and thanks for watching this video. Now, as you may have guessed by the title, I'm going to show you how to set up your Wii. Now, for this, you'll need a TV with outputs capable with the standard white, red, yellow, or for some reason red, green, blue, or whatever that is. Your Wii console, and these cords. Now the first thing that you need to do is get your console. You gotta get the console and set it right there. You can set it in any position. I prefer to keep it this way. You just need to put the discs face up. Now the next thing you need to get right here is the Wii to TV cable. Now you plug this specific cable in right here. Had it backwards there. Make sure that you put the cables in their right spot. I don't need to tell you this because I'm pretty sure you're not stupid, but each cable has a specific spot where it's supposed to go. Now you put this yellow cord right here. That's for the video. And you put this red cord right here with the red. That's for the audio. And this last white one, you put that one right there. It's also for the audio. The red goes for the right speaker, and the white for the left. It's easily indicated. And the next thing they need to get, the center bar. Get a good angle of this. This is what makes the Wii unique. Its center bar. Mom wrapped up this so the keyboard wouldn't be everywhere. Now what you need to put this is right here in this small port. Right there. It says right there for sensor bar. Now you can put this. Oop, that was a mistake. Now you can put this in either two places. You can either put this below the TV or on top of the TV. I prefer to have it on top of the TV, like I'm pointing at it. And then lastly, the last cord you'll need is right here. This is what makes it turn on. The power source. You plug it in right about there. And then you just gotta plug it into a wall outlet. The one right here is not visible to the camera. Plug it in right there. And finally, you just gotta turn it on. You turn on the TV, turn it on, and then you set the input to AV. There are many different places where it could be, but then for some TVs you just need to put it to the AV for audio visual. And then finally, your last step to have your Wii fully set up is to turn it on. And now you're ready to play your games. Of course, you may need a couple things, to play GameCube games. You need a GameCube controller and a GameCube memory card, which you place in slot A, right here. That's slot A. Of course, you can also have an SD card, which you put in right here in front. There you can store your photos, save game data, various things. Right here, this button, that's how you sync the Wiimotes. I'll show you that in a separate video, which will come with much frustration. And then here's the eject button. you eject your discs. What's this here? It's Rhythm Heaven Fever. Who could have expected this? Oh no! Oh, this one had much as scheduled, much more than scheduled. It's Rhythm Heaven Fever. Why could that be there? Check out my next upload and you'll see. Anyway, that about wraps it up for setting up your Wii console. Maybe next I'll show you how to set up the Wii Wiimotes. And that basically covers it. Now for a quick recap. Just for a quick recap, just for giggles. What you need to do is this cord you plug into the TV in the red, yellow, and white outlets respectively. Then you plug in the sensor bar. This is the audio visual, and this is the sensor bar. You can put that here. Then finally is the power cord, which you plug into an outlet. Now that about covers it. You can put GameCube controllers. You put them here, and here for player 1, player 2, player 3, and player 4, respectively. And then right here, you have the GameCube memory card for slot A and slot B. And one last tidbit of information. Right here is the USB port. You can plug in things in the USB port for the Wii. You can plug in keyboards or charger ports or various other things. Who knows? The possibilities are endless. Not really. They aren't really endless. I was just saying that. So anyway, that's how you set up your Wii console. If you hear that sound, that's not good. Wii's are normally supposed to be stationary. So anyway, tune in for my next video. Rhythm Heaven Fever. That's my Let's Play. And this has been yet another video. Thank you, and goodbye. Okay then. Keep rolling. Well then, apparently since this is still on, I guess I might as well show you how to take apart the Wii. First thing you do, turn off the Wii. That's good. And the next thing you do is you take off the sensor bar. Take it off of the TV. And then unplug it. And then next, you unplug the inputs from either the Wii or the TV. Then you unplug from said TV. And then you unplug from the outlet. It's just off screen here. A lot of interesting stuff off screen. Anyway, again, that happened. I forgot to. My assistant here didn't push the end recorder, I thought. But I want to add a few more minutes to your time.